Shio, after over 7 months of dealing with the impact of COVID-19, it is understandable that many of our tribal citizens are growing tired of the restrictions imposed to protect the health of our elders and the most vulnerable members of our community. As I said in my last video, Cherokee people are a social people who enjoy spending quality time with our families and loved ones. However, these activities where we are close to one another for extended periods of time without wearing masks are where we see community spread and the exponential rise in new cases of COVID-19. I know each of you are as concerned about the safety of our elders as I am, and I ask for your continued perseverance in following the social distancing measures enacted on the boundary. Please refrain from hosting or attending social gatherings, wear your masks around others that are not from your household, and wash or sanitize your hands and surfaces often when around others. Following these measures will help reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our community. If you suspect you've been exposed to COVID-19, public health officials recommend that you get tested 6 to 8 days after that exposure. CIHA is recommending that any concerned individual get tested for COVID-19, but you must call the COVID-19 hotline at 497-3743 to schedule your test. Please exercise patience when calling the COVID-19 hotline, as the staff are currently dealing with approximately 1,000 calls per day and have now administered over 10,000 COVID-19 tests. Finally, there are currently nearly 100 active cases and nearly 300 direct contacts. It is critically important that we all cooperate with the contact tracing team. You can do this by sharing your direct contacts with the team if you test positive, and by answering or returning their calls if you're contacted. Again, I ask for your continued help in slowing the spread of COVID-19. Stay home as much as possible, limit in-person contact when you can, and be diligent in wearing a face covering when around others. I appreciate your cooperation with these measures and offer my thoughts and prayers to those currently impacted by this pandemic. Ski, and God bless.